Hello everyone, welcome to my new video, and the topic for today is Standard Meridian of India. This topic is very interesting, and many a times people they don't get the calculation right? So there's a $1,000,000 question. It says, why is 82° 30' east selected as the standard meridian of India? Here we have the outline map of India, and let's try to get the answer to the given question. Yes, we need to understand all the four sides: east, west, north and south. This is the easternmost longitude. 97° 25' east is the easternmost longitude of India. And towards the west side, if we see, we have at 68° 7' east is the westernmost longitude of India. At 0° longitude, we have the Prime Meridian, which passes through Greenwich, UK. If you see here, the centermost line is the Prime Meridian, and if we take one round of the globe or the earth at 1° each, we'll find 360 longitudinal lines. Hopefully things are clear. If we take one circle, we start from Prime Meridian and then go around and come back to Prime Meridian. At 1° each, we have 360 longitudinal lines. Moving ahead, all of us we know Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis, right? And if we try to convert that into minutes, that is equivalent to 24 multiplied by 60, it becomes 1440 minutes, right? Yes, this is a universal truth. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Now the question arises, how much time will the sun take to travel through 1° longitude? Just now we understood that the sun takes 1440 minutes for one rotation, and if we divide that by 360, that is the total longitudinal lines that we have, we get 04 minutes. Thus we understand that sun requires 4 minutes to travel through 1° longitude, right? Now the another question is, let's try to understand the longitudinal extent of India. Now, what is the longitudinal extent of India? Right? If you see the line here, from the easternmost point to the westernmost point, the difference between the 2 points will be the longitudinal extent of India. All of us, we have understood. Easternmost longitude of India is at 97° 25' east, and the westernmost longitude of India is 68° 7' east. Many a time students, they get confused that eastern side is also east and the westernmost side is also east. So if you have seen my previous video, we learned that India lies into the northeastern hemisphere. That means the westernmost part of India is also there in the easternmost hemisphere. That's the reason the westernmost longitude of India is 68° 7' east. Hopefully, the things must be clear to you now. Now, if we see the difference, right? If we minus from the easternmost to the westernmost, we get 29°, right? And to in order to have the calculations right, so let's round it up and we make it 30 degrees. Hopefully things must be clear to you till now. Let's move ahead. We have learned till now, sun rises in the east and sets in the west, and sun takes 4 minutes to cross or move through, to travel through 1° longitude. And now if you see, sun is taking 4 minutes, and then we have that longitudinal extent difference that we have seen is 30 degrees. So if we multiply 30 into 4, it becomes 120 minutes. That is equivalent to 2 hours, right? So if we see here, there is a difference from the easternmost point towards the westernmost point. There is a time lag of 2 hours, right? And this 2 hours is going to make a huge difference in air travel, train timings and other things. So it's going to, lead to a lot of chaos, lot of confusion, if two different timings are followed. So what was to be done? So in order to avoid this confusion, a longitudinal line passing through the midpoint of 68 degree 7 minutes east, that is the westernmost longitude, and 97 degree 25 minutes east, that is the easternmost longitude, is taken as the standard meridian of India, that is at 82 degree 30 minute east. Let's check it out. Yes, the line that you see here right now is the standard meridian of India, and it passes through 82 degree 30 minutes east, right? So the time at the standard meridian, that is at 82 degree 30 minutes east, which passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time of India, and the same time is followed all over the country. Now where is Mirzapur? Let's check it out. Yes, the point that you see there is Mirzapur near Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, right? So hopefully, the topic must be clear to you all, and you must have got the, answer right to your question, that why standard meridian of India at 82 degree 30 minutes east, why is it considered as the standard meridian of India, and how and why we are following same timing throughout the country. If you have understood the topic, great. And still, if there is any confusion, you are most welcome to visit www.nirmancare.com, and all your queries will be clarified. Hopefully you must have liked the video. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.